Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to print shipping label on Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your Shopify admin panel and click on settings and select shipping and delivery and search for shipping label section. So here you can see the shipping labels section, and scroll down a little bit and here you'll find label formats. So you have to click on print test label which you want to print. So I'm going to clicking this one and it will open up in a new tab, and now you can click on this print icon and select your printer. You can select pages, color, and then click on print, and this was how we can print Shopify shipping labels. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.